These AVS outside mount rain guards are tailored specifically for late model Ford F-Series SuperCrew trucks, so they follow the factory lines and look like an original accessory rather than an add-on. The outside mount design lets you crack the windows during rain or snow to vent heat and odors while keeping the interior noticeably drier and more comfortable. Made from thick, impact-resistant acrylic with a dark smoke tint, they feel sturdy in hand and stand up well to road debris, sun exposure, and regular car washes. The low-profile curved shape manages wind effectively, reducing the annoying buffeting you normally get with the windows slightly open at highway speeds. Installation is straightforward for most owners, relying on pre-applied automotive-grade adhesive tape, so there's no drilling or special tools required. Once installed, these visors give the truck a cleaner, more finished look, while adding year-round practicality for anyone who drives in changing weather.